Hi, we in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City. It's about 5 p.m. Monday. This is Phạm Ngũ Lão, Backpacker Street. A lot of people. Seven-Eleven. Two buses. Noodle House, bún bò Huế. Tourists. Quỳ viện Quốc Street. A lot of tourists, backpackers. Funny, $25,000, $1 kebab. Day 8 Street, Trần Hưng Đạo Street. Trần Hưng Đạo Street. For 5 p.m. Monday rush hour. People getting off work, school. That's Bùi Viện Walking Street. And now there's a Bến Thành, Lê Lợi, Nguyễn Huệ Walking Street. There's all the different kind of substitute. That's Pizza Hut. Now there's Wentworth, KFC's. Trần Hưng Đạo, Đề Thám. Pizza, Dodo Pizza. So today is like almost the last day here in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City. Yeah, over there I do some laundry. There are a lot of cheap food and cheap hotels on this side. Really cheap, affordable on this side. The other side is a little pricey, but this side is really cheap. A lot of hotels here. Got a barber shop and laundry. Laundromat where we'll do some laundry. They have rice combination, all kind of food. This is the Saigon laundry. Really good place to do laundry. They have 60 minutes, 40 minutes, 30 minutes, and 8 minutes. And then you just buy the coins on the other side. It's automatic wash and dry. Or is the prices? So you want to wash this thing, you hit they clean it for 2 minutes. And then after it's cleaning the machine, you can put the clothes in. So we're going to put the change in here. So they have different prices, depends on so every $10,000 1 coin, so it's like about 7. A lot of points there. It's cleaning right now. So we put in the clothes, we get the coins. So we just select the choices. You want the 40, 30 or 80 minutes. You want to take the complete cycle. This is the 40 minutes, so we're going to take the 60 minutes. We need 10 coins, so we're going to throw 10 coins in there.
Máy bắt đầu vận hành. Sau người dân sẽ tự động hóa. Và dân dùng sư bà có thể tự động kéo dài thời gian sấy.
So it's wash, and then after wash 30 minutes, and they go dry for 30 minutes. So you can choose the different selections, and then the 8 minutes is for wash only. Really cool. It's called the Saigon laundry. Next to the time stick, and then this is the big size. It's open until like I think 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. Xin chào. Down there is the Bùi Viện walking street. This is the Cam street, so really easy. Just walk across the street. And now here is all the cheap food, cheap laundry, and they have all the combination rice and everything here. Got really cheap food, $1 or $2 food here.